Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am coming with my first full winter spread. The kit is from Vanilla Paper Co. It's Charming Winter. I picked this up last year and I only had one floral sheet that came with this, and I tried to pull in some from Sadie Stickers. And then I also had the hanging signs in the burgundy color from Sadie Stickers as well. So I'll be pulling all of these items in to try to make the perfect spread for my week. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the music for my base, and then I will be back maybe for my sidebar area. I do use the same things in my date cover area. The foiling is from Sadie Stickers, the garland Sadie Stickers. So yeah, I'll be back. So for my sidebar, I'm taking this marble full box and I'm going to add a script from the Happy Planner to this later. It says, "Don't stop believing in the good." Then I took this layering piece from the kit and then I just added some foiling to it from Letters to Apollo, and then a mandala from JK Creates Co. I really love these and I need to start pulling them in more. And I actually want to pick up the smaller ones from Honey Inked, I think it is, on Etsy. Yes, I want to pick up some more of those. And then I had this leftover box from Sadie's stickers. I went ahead and pulled that in, and then I just used the divider from the kit. This one was like the only decorative divider that she has in the kit. The rest of them are bow sparkles. And then the girl is just cozy with her sweater and her jacket tied around, super cute and coffee, and she matched the kit perfectly. And she is from Red Lyrics from Etsy. And here is that script from the Happy Planner. So on to the day by day. I am using this oval from the kit to mark Coffee Monday. Coffee Monday script is from JK Creates Co. The coffee mug is a leftover. It's so cute. It has like this sweater cozy around it. And I just picked up my coffee from Dunkin'. I've just been doing that lately, but now I switched it up. I started making my coffee at home prior to getting the boys ready, so that's been working out for me. I also did a voiceover I also did a voiceover this day. It was either for the A6 or for the A5Y. I'm not sure which one. And the microphone icon is from Paper Muse Craft. adding in the divider. This one is from JK Creates Co. Really love it. It's super lacy. And then the money icon is from Willow Way Stickers and the Build Do script as well. Over top of a layering piece from the kit. Just to mark that I paid some bills. Added in the garland from Letters to Apollo. And then the planner is from Paper Crown Planner to mark that I planned this day as well. So on to Tuesday, I am pulling in a box from the kit and then putting a simple foil box from Sadie Stickers over that to mark that I filmed and I uploaded this day. And then the film icon is from White Deer Stationery. Later that day, I watched Gone in the Night, and that was a really good movie. Icon again from White Deer Stationery. I also edited this day. I used a circle from the kit and then a circle from Alyssa's Craft Shop to mark that. And then the laptop icon is from Willow Way Stickers. I actually picked up all of the colors that she just released in these icons because they're just super cute and super simple, and they're right to the point. Next, I'm marking that I picked up cupcakes for baby, and that icon or deco is from a $2 Tuesday from Sadie Stickers. And then we also went to the airport this day to pick up my father-in-law. On Wednesday, I am marking happy birthday to baby. This icon is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. It is from one of her freebies. I tried to add in my garland like every other day, so I added that in. Adding in my lace divider here, which I'm looking now, I didn't even use this on the other side. I'm just marking that I did one load of laundry. I'm trying to stick with only doing one load of laundry. So far so good, because that electric bill can definitely go sky high doing laundry every day. So I'm also marking that I did 2 exams to have this little study icon from White Deer Stationery. These were the exams that I needed for continuing education for my pharmacy license. So I did 2 this day, and I still have a couple more to do, but at least I'm getting them done slowly but surely. I also picked up guinea pig food this day, and then me and Babe had a date night this day, and I'm really simple. I just like really simple, cute things, and even so I'm such a foodie. What we did was we just picked up some Mr. and Mrs. Crabs, and we were in the CVS parking. We drove to a CVS parking lot because I really don't like being around a lot of people. I have social anxiety, so we just went to CVS parking lot. We ate our bag of seafood, and yeah, after that we went home and basically we're in like a little food coma. So that was our date night. On Thursday, I ordered the food for the baby shower. I pulled in the square from the kit, and then the other one is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. Muffin is from Beneva Creation because we ordered like sweet things like cannolis, tiny cakes. We did do the pinwheels and some fruit. I also called the school this day to get information about registering baby, and then I also made an appointment as well. I did also get some planning done, so I wanted to mark that. And then I finally dropped off my iPad to be repaired. So happy that it is repaired and done, and I can now really sit down and do the voiceovers without having to use my phone. So really happy about that. On to Friday. Friday, I really needed coffee again. So I went to Dunkin' and I got my coffee, and I also picked up avocado toast with bacon. I don't like to get the pesto anymore, tomato pesto anymore, because they put too many tomatoes, and then I'm picking it off and it's basically like a waste. I also took some new medication this day, which was not my favorite type of medicine. I'm not going to continue to take it because I don't like how it makes me feel. That icon is from Willow Waist Stickers. And then Babe got a new grill this day for his birthday. His birthday is actually on Christmas, so he kind of gets things early. So got that. And then I'm marking tired AF because the medication that I took just made me tired AF, and unfortunately it makes you sleepy in the daytime and then it gives you insomnia at nighttime, so I wasn't even able to get any rest. So moving on to Saturday. On Saturday we woke up early and needed to get the day started because we had to track down the mail that had the baby shower souvenirs. We tracked that down, we intercepted it, yay, got it. That box icon is from Sissysprintsco. You can use code Quen 15 to save 15% on your order. We also prepared kebabs this day for the baby shower. Paper Shire character there, chopping up carrots and tomatoes. And then I put the balloons to mark the baby shower. And then we also, grilled the kebabs this day. So on to Sunday. Sunday, I made breakfast. Realized we didn't have any eggs, so I used the Paper Shire character looking in the fridge. We also dropped Grandma back off at home. Later that day, I took a present to my friend Ari and her daughter for her birthday. And that present icon is from Paper Crown Planner, a printable, as well as the car. And then I had dinner with fam, and I just used the Paper Shire character for that. So that is it for my week. That's how my week turned out. I really love the purple and silver together on this kit. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.